One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is listing the home before it's truly ready. And first impressions matter. Hi, I'm Nahshon Moore with Red One Realty. Before your home hits the market, there are a few things that can make a big difference in how buyers respond to it. Preparing your home to sell doesn't always mean doing a full renovation, but it does mean making the home feel clean, maintained, and welcoming. Start with decluttering. Remove excess items, clear countertops, organize the closets, and create a sense of space. Then focus on condition. Small repairs matter. Loose handles, touch-up paint, burnout bulbs, dripping faucets, damaged trims. Buyers do notice those things. Next, think about presentation. A clean home typically shows better, photographs better, and can create a stronger emotional connection for buyers. And don't forget the curb appeal. It's my favorite. Sometimes simple improvements like fresh mulch, trim landscaping, or a clean entryway can make a big difference. The goal is to help buyers walk in and picture themselves living there because homes that feel prepared often create stronger interest and better offers. Now, every home is different, and the right strategy depends on your goals, your timeline, and your budget. And if you're thinking about selling and want help preparing your home, I'd be happy to help. I'm Nahshon Moore with Red One Realty.